Happy Friday, everyone. Today it's Friday the 3rd, so hope everybody is well. Thank you all for those of you who have submitted your 40 and your 20 questions and chapter summaries and are working through this process. So keep it up. You're doing a good job. Big announcement last night. The head of the College Board got on a webinar. You'll probably be receiving an email at some point today. Our test is going to be May 13th at 3 o'clock. That's Central Time, so you're going to need to put that in your calendar somewhere. It's being set up for you to take it at home. We can talk about how you should take it. There's some choices, and they don't have anything written out right now. So there'll be more info to come. There's supposed to be an email coming out later this afternoon. I wanted to get this out to you right away, though, because we will be meeting on Monday via Zoom, where hopefully I can lay out all moving forward what we're going to be doing. I have to think about how to go about preparing you for this the best way, the most efficient way. They probably picked the hardest, not the hardest for you, but the hardest for me method to teach this. So, but we're pretty good with it. We've been dealing with documents for long enough now, so we just have to put it together. So we have an extra week, so we're in a really good spot. I'm very confident. It's just sort of making sure that we know the process, because it's all new for everybody. So we'll work on that. Like I said, Monday morning I'll have more information. I can answer more questions. So please make sure that you are available for that. If something happens that you can't, I understand. But make sure, try to be there. Try to be there for that. Have it set for your cameras need to be off, and we just need to practice working Zoom. So I'll have more announcements. I'll kind of have something laid out for you for the next couple weeks. So that's I don't even know if I said it. It's a DBQ with 5 documents. That's what the test is going to be. I'm sorry. So instead of 7, they're cutting it down to 5. I don't know how they're supposed to be graded. They said they were going to make some changes to the rubric. So again, they're kind of piecemealing this information for us a little bit. So that's why I would like to meet Monday. Hopefully everything is out by Monday, or by today. I can figure out the plan ahead, and we can discuss that on Monday morning. So check your Skyward email for the invite. I sent that out yesterday, I think, or the day before. I know it might be a little bit early for you, but 9:30, come on, get out of bed. Anyway, that's that announcement. For the activity for today, we're doing something relatively very short on Vatican II. This is going to be the assignment sheet for you. There's a very short reading. You can see here a comparison of the Council of Trent with Vatican II, and there are simply 2 questions with which I'm going to ask you to respond to. There is also a couple videos related to the Vatican that are more of interest and context. One called Vatican City Explained and How to Become Pope. So I think that's like about 10 minutes. So this shouldn't take you very long. I'd ask you for the answer to those questions to turn it in on Tuesday, and the same parameters are always, midnight on Tuesday. If it's a little bit over, I don't really care. But again, we're staying in that context of Vatican II is really closely related with the Council of Trent, and we have to know the Council of Trent. So take a look at that. It's pretty straightforward. Hopefully it'll refresh your memory a little bit about the Counter-Reformation way back when. So that's all I have for today. I will see you all on Monday morning, 9:30. Obviously, I'm going to record it, so if you can't be there, but again, try to make an effort to be there. I know you have other classes and stuff, but 9:30 was the time that I could only get from the other all the other teachers. So I know it's probably not perfect, but we'll do with it what we can. So hope you have a good weekend. Hope the weather's nice. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't go crazy. We're not there yet. So if you need anything, obviously email me, and I will see you Monday.